Happy Independence Day. So you can see there's lots of people came here to celebrate the show. Nice name. Okay, bro.
वाह क्या मुस्कुराहट है.
Who wrote national anthem? Our national anthem.
Sir Rabindranath Tagore.
Okay, wow, that's a correct answer. Give me who wrote the national anthem?
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
That's one. Which year we are celebrating? Independence Day.
80 years.
August 15, 1949.
आपको पता है हम लोग का जो देश स्वाधीन हुआ था, जो फ्री इंडिपेंडेंट हुआ था कितना साल में?
19,
कौन सा साल में?
1947,
Okay,
15 August.
okay, right. That's a correct answer. What's your name?
Mary,
Mary. You're from?
Tripura.
Okay, they're from Tripura. I'm also from Tripura. So hello guys, good morning. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Today we're going to celebrate 80 Independence Day. So right now we're here in Lal Bagh. Today we came here to do a small quiz competition about Independence Day. So guys, we all know today we're going to celebrate 18 Happy Independence Day. So you can see there's lots of people came here to celebrate the Independence Day. You can see all Bangalore's I think today came here in this park.
So guys, once upon a time in a beautiful land called India, people lived under foreign rule. They were not free to make their own decisions and life was very difficult. But deep in their hearts, they carried a strong dream, the dream of freedom. Every year on 15 August, we remember how that dream finally came true. Many brave men and women stood up for the country. They were called freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, and many others. Today, Independence Day is not just a holiday, it's a reminder of the sacrifice made by our heroes. It teaches us to respect our country and value the freedom we enjoy. Parks, schools, and public places are with celebrations. Independence Day is a symbol of unity, strength, and pride. It reminds us that freedom is precious and must always be protected. As citizens of India, it is our responsibility to build a better future for our country. Jai Hind, Bande Mataram.
Happy Independence Day. Huh? Okay, bro. What's your name?
My name is Saad.
You're from?
I'm from Bangalore itself.
Bangalore only. Okay. What's your name?
Kushi.
Oh, nice name. Okay, bro.
वाह क्या मुस्कुराहट है.
Bro, can you tell me, my viewers, who wrote national anthem? Our national anthem.
Sir Rabindranath Tagore.
Okay, wow, that's a correct answer. Give me some more information. Which year it was written?
It was written in 1947. Yeah, 1947 or 1949. I don't know the exact date.
Okay. Hey, Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day. Same to you.
Thank you so much. What's your name?
Biswajit Sahu.
Okay. Hello, bro. Hi. What's your name?
Devashis.
Devashish. Nice name. Hi, bro. Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day. Satyam Das.
Oh, Satyam sir. You're from? You guys from?
Odisha. Yes,
Odisha.
yes.
Oh, wow, nice. So, did you guys know today which year we are celebrating?
80 years.
Okay.
Yes.
अच्छा, आप लोग फ्रेंड हो क्या?
हाँ.
कॉलेज फ्रेंड?
बचपन से.
अच्छा, वाह, नाइस. सो आप लोगों को पता है कि हम लोग का जन गण मन किसने लिखा है?
रविन्द्रनाथ ठाकुर. Rabindranath Tagore.
Wow, this is a very nice answer and nice to meet you all. Enjoy. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Happy Independence Day, bro. So I have a small gift for you guys. Okay. This for you. Okay. Chocolate.
Thank you.
Thank you. तो गाइस अभी मैं यहाँ पे और एक मेरा छोटा सा दोस्त से मिला हूँ। आपका नाम क्या है?
राजेश,
राजेश। ओ, कहाँ से हो आप?
उड़ीसा से।
उड़ीसा से हो? अच्छा, तो आपको हमारा जो भारत है वो कब स्वाधीन हुआ था याद है?
हाँ,
हाँ, कब है?
अगस्त 15, 1949।
ओके मेरा सच। ओके, उनको मैं छोटा सा एक गिफ्ट देना चाहूँगा, ये चॉकलेट आपके लिए। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच। ओके, ध्यान रखना। ओके, बाय बाय। सो गाइस अभी मैं बोटानिकल गार्डन पे आया था। वी डूइंग सम इंटरव्यू अबाउट इंडिपेंडेंस डे। तो यहाँ पे मैं एक मेरा प्यारा सा फ्रेंड से मिला हूँ। आपका नाम क्या है?
संजना,
आप कहाँ से हो?
असम से। मैं असम से हूँ।
अच्छा, नॉर्थ ईस्ट से हो। ओके, नाइस टू मीट यू। आई एम फ्रॉम त्रिपुरा। सो मैं आपको थोड़ा सा एक क्वेश्चन करना चाहूँगा, सवाल करना चाहूँगा। आपको पता है हम लोग का जो देश स्वाधीन हुआ था, जो फ्री इंडिपेंडेंट हुआ था, कितना साल में?
19
कौन सा साल में?
1947,
ओके
15 अगस्त।
ओके, राइट, दैट्स अ करेक्ट आंसर। सो आपको पता है लाइक किसने लिखा था जन गण मन अधिनायक, जो नेशनल एंथम है, किसने लिखा?
रविंद्रनाथ ठाकुर।
अच्छा, कौन सा साल में?
19, अच्छा ये याद नहीं है।
ओके ओके, मैं बता दूँ द करेक्ट आंसर। रविंद्रनाथ ठाकुर ने 1911 में लिखा था। वो जो गवर्नमेंटली ऑफिशियली अडॉप्ट हुआ था 1950 को। और थैंक यू सो मच। आप असम से हो, तो अभी असम जो है एक बहुत ही दुर्घटना में है। मतलब इट्स वेरी बैड सिचुएशन राइट नाउ। देयर इज सम वेरी बैडली फ्लड्स हैपन। सो मेनी पीपल लॉस्ट देयर लाइफ, देयर families, their home. So what do you want to say about, what message you want to give about?
मैं बोलना चाहूँगी कि असम में अभी सबका सपोर्ट का ज़रूरत है। और बस यही बोलना चाहूँगी। Thank you.
Okay guys, please come forward for Assam. This time we need to come forward to help the Assam. Okay, thank you so much for giving me your time. Okay, thank you so much. Happy Independence Day. I have a small gift for you. Okay, this for you. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, okay. तो गाइस अभी यहाँ पे मुझे कुछ मेरा दोस्त से मिल गया यहाँ पे बोटानिकल में आके। तो आप लोगों का नाम क्या है? आप लोग कहाँ से हो?
My name is MD Vakil and I am from Jharkhand.
झारखंड।
You are from?
झारखंड।
You both are same from Jharkhand?
Same.
Okay. तो you guys comfortable in English और हिंदी?
Yes.
चलो हिंदी से बोलते हैं, ठीक है? ओके। तो आप लोगों के लिए कुछ क्वेश्चन है, ठीक है? क्या आप लोगों को पता है कब भारत स्वाधीन हुआ था?
Yes.
हाँ,
1947.
कैमरा में देख के बताए।
1947.
15 अगस्त 1947।
15 अगस्त 1947 को आज़ाद हुआ था।
ओके ओके, तो आपको हम लोग का देश का कुछ फ्रीडम फाइटर, हम जिन्होंने हम लोग के देश के लिए अपना बलिदान दिए हैं, अपना खून दिया है, जो फ्रीडम फाइटर है, उन लोगों का नाम पता है आपको?
यस, ऐसे में तो बहुत सारे हैं, जैसे महात्मा गांधी है,
हाँ।
भगत सिंह है।
ओके।
ऐसे में बहुत सारे हैं। बाकी मैं अभी दो ही का नाम बता रहा हूँ।
ओके, आप
सुभाष चंद्र बोस भी है।
चंद्रशेखर आजाद,
हाँ,
झांसी
हाँ।
की रानी।
ओके, अच्छा, ओके, आप लोग स्टोरी में इंटरेस्ट है क्या?
यस।
अच्छा, तो आप लोगों का जो हम लोग मानते हैं ना कि ये मेरा आइडल है, किसको आप फॉलो करते हैं? किसका जो पर्सनालिटी है आप लोग का अच्छा लगता है?
भीमराव अंबेडकर,
अम्बेडकर का। क्यों?
क्योंकि उसने हमारे देश का जो कानून बनाया है उसको हम लोग फॉलो करते हैं और उसको फॉलो करेंगे, वो हमको बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
ओके, आपको?
डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर।
ओके ओके, थैंक यू सो मच हम लोग के साथ बात करने के लिए। ये आप लोगों के लिए एक छोटा सा गिफ्ट। ओके, हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे गाइस। ओके, हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच। ओके, ध्यान रखना, बाय।
यूट्यूब का चैनल बता दो।
तो गाइस अभी मुझे यहाँ पे मेरे छोटा सा दोस्त लोगों से मिला है। तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम पुनीत राव।
अच्छा, नाम?
मोहम्मद जाफर।
तुम्हारा?
मोहम्मद मोहम्मद उमेश
अच्छा, कहाँ से हो आप लोग?
सर बनशंकरी
बनशंकर है। बेंगलोर से है ना? ओके ओके ओके। तो आप लोगों को पता है ना ये भारत स्वाधीन कब हुआ था? कब हुआ था?
अगस्त 15
15 साल कौन सा साल?
साल 1947
ओके गुड गुड। सो आप लोगों को आप लोगों को जन मन गाना का 2-3 लाइन आता है?
हाँ, आता
गा
है।
दीजिए।
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब पसिंद गुजरात मराठा राविन उच्चल व्यंगा हिंद हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जल सितरंगा।
गुड गुड गुड। क्लैप 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 गाइस। ओके, आप लोगों के लिए कुछ है मेरा पास। ओके ओके, ये आपके लिए है। ओके, और ये आपके लिए। ओके ओके। So guys, today I came here in Botanical Garden. So as of you guys know, we are doing a small interview about Independence Day. Independence Day. So here I met with our beautiful peoples. What's your name?
Mary,
Mary. You're from?
Tripura.
Okay, they're from Tripura. I'm also from Tripura. So I'm so happy to meet you guys. Okay, guys, I'm going to speak with my mother language, which is Kok Borok. So I'm so happy. Ang belai no tong thoka bai song bai malai mani. Inga bai song ke bo jaga nong ka?
Chang kay manday ni.
Mandai ni no. Okay.
Ang mo manday ni.
Mongke ni tam kalai.
Ani ko kay.
Oh. अच्छा, इनके बाइनर अकबो कोई बार शहरों में बेंगलोर तो मनी
Ang 2017 ni simi.
2017 तब खाया और जॉब दिखाई।
Ang first इनके restaurant खाई गया तब salon ना.
अच्छा, ओके ओके। इनके अंदर उन्होंने कोटा क्वेश्चंस खाइना निमंग के हाई सी तिनी रिलेटिव ओको इंडिपेंडेंस न देना तो इनाई इनके बाइनर प्रथम क्वेश्चन का हाई सी चिनी जे ओको भारत जे इंडिपेंडेंस ओंग मनी बु इयर्स
1947.
ओके
15 August.
15 अगस्त ओके हम बाय नो कয়েকজন फ्रीडम फाइटर निबुं साइड
Bhagat Singh, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi.
अमनि बिसुंनो साबनो चाजाक नंगस
Mahatma
सपोर्ट
Gandhi.
खाइमानि महात्मा गांधी तांगै रीजन साइड मानो
Amo tang sai mi tang chada.
ओके बाय
Same no. Sab no chada chada ya bo ya to na same no.
Oke, guys, ko menai ni, oke, dress up nogi mang kana, omong ke, bu dress ni, bu culture ni.
Tripura,
Deborma. Deborma ni, no, Deborma ni. Orisha ni mung ke tamo. Bumung to tong le. Tripuri Risha, oke, tam kamu camat hibar, kamu kutum, camat hibar da. Rigna hingke?
Rigna ke champi.
Hingke, oke. Hingke menai nongor pore de tong.
Aha.
Job khai tong. बाबे बाक्सा फाइमेंटा इनके ओको अबनो सिनी ओको सिनी ता खुकजोग मासारो बेलाइनो नाइथके सिनी देवरमा गेट अप बाय फाइजाक बेलाइनो नाइथका हम बाय नो आं बाय आसुक जरा रोमन बागै हम बाय नरं बाय चिकन सा कैसा गिफ्ट ओको चॉकलेट आनी यान बागै ओके हैप्पी खुक कुटै के बेला जा कन्दो ताइ कैसा ओको आंटी उटों मला इनके ताइ कैसा दो ओके हम बाय कन थैंक यू सो मच Okay, so guys, you can see behind me there's a small models. It's all theme about village life. You can see inside they make small like that house model. It's very nice to see here, and see you can see inside. This all with handmade, nicely they decorate about today's Independence Day, and that side also they have a small agricultural theme. You can see here there is a lots of vegetables they good here. These are real vegetables. I think that is a pumpkin. Okay, so very nice to see here, and there's a good vibe. Yeah, I enjoy to come here. Hello guys, good evening. Today I just roaming randomly here in the Botanical Garden. I'll meet with this beautiful people. Okay bro, hi bro. What's your name?
My name is Rakesh.
Where are you from?
I'm from Manipur.
Oh wow, nice. That's me. I'm also from Northeast Tripura. Yeah. So hi sister, your red costume is very nice. Hi, what's your name?
Monica,
You are from
Manipur.
Manipur. Sir?
Yeah, same.
Okay. You guys are student or working here?
Yes, we are a student and we are coming here to learn our experience, knowledge, skill, and that's all.
What you studying, brother?
Actually, we are graduation.
Okay. In which college?
Yeah, it's Jawaharlal College.
Okay, guys. Today I will going to ask you guys like about today is our 15 August Independence Day. So, bro, these are just general questions. Did you know in which year we got independent?
It's
Okay, I'll cut this one. Okay, you. Okay, bro, can you tell me which year India got independent?
it's 15 August 1947.
Okay, oh wow, it's a very correct answer. Okay, so can you tell me who wrote the national anthem?
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. That's one.
No, I'll cut this one. You will say okay. Don't. Okay, bro.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
Okay, bro, thank you so much. Now I'm going to ask to sister. Sister, do you know our national anthem, Jana Gana Mana? Who wrote?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Oh, yeah, that's a correct answer. Okay, one more sister is here. What's your name, sister?
Rosni.
Rosni. Oh, nice name. I like your the costume. Can you tell me? Can you explain about your dress up?
Very
Okay.
difficult.
Okay. Yeah. Try. Hold this
Going
camera.
on
Community dress.
Okay.
Actually, her dress is from Tangkul community dress.
Okay.
It's very nice, and the necklace is also very nice. Yeah, that's all.
Okay. What do you like most thing about Bangalore?
Food, people, everything. And I would like to say the people are very nice, and the food as well, and so everything I love. I love it.
What about you? What's the most thing you like about Bangalore?
Weather is so good.
Okay. What about you?
Yeah, same.
Okay.
I don't know.
For weather, Bangalore is very good than Delhi, I guess, because it's like
We
our
little get familiar here
yeah,
in
yeah,
Bangalore.
yes, exactly.
Okay. Yeah. Nice. Did you guys visit that naughty shop?
Yeah, sometimes we went to buy stuff, something
Yeah.
is very good.
Without our food, without our
yeah,
mother food, we can't
exactly,
live.
yes.
Okay, yeah. Thank you so much, guys. You guys have sharing your lovely days, and yeah, I really like your this costume. Okay, thank you so much for
From
sharing.
my side, I would like
Okay.
to say thank you so much for making this kind of video. And
Okay,
that's all.
yeah. Same here, bro. Thank you so much. Happy Independence Day. Happy Independence Day. Thank you. Happy Independence Day. Take care. Bye, guys. Bye. Okay, guys, you can see here homemade pickles. Here is brother. Hi, brother. Happy Independence Day. How are you?
I am fine.
What's your name?
My name is Dushyant. I am a marketing head on Sila Foods.
Okay. So this all your brand.
Yeah, this is
Okay.
our own production.
Okay.
We are from 25 years.
Okay. 25 years.
Yeah, about the pickle.
Can you explain? Yeah.
I am Dushyant from Sila Foods marketing head. Just we have a dry fruits laddu, jaggery based amla, and our specialty of the product is dry fruit laddu. We won't use any sugar or jaggery. We have pure authentic we'll use. And we also have a jamun bar. We are the only one in South India doing at present the dehydration project, and no preservatives. It has contained the purely pulp based. And we also have edible gum laddu, which contains some few herbs and the gone, which help for the stamina to build for the women, especially of the postmortem. The girls will be eating. So we also have authentic pickle called jirge midi. So it's no preservatives. We use a very fine quality of chilies for the betterment of the taste, and no preservatives will be adding. And we also have a honey, which is we are the beekeeper. So we have 1,500.
Natural honey.
Yes,
About that package.
this is a curry spice mix pura karam. Like for semi gravies, you can use this. It will be a good taste of authentic taste, spicy.
Oh, nice.
and we also have a black spice powder, like a pepper base. This is chili base. This is a pepper base.
These are same combinations. This is
Yeah, same combination, but it's a purely chili base. This is pepper base.
okay, bro. Thank you so much. That's it.
Yeah,
Okay. So can you give some like I'm going to buy some amla
yeah, sure.
and
Do you sample?
okay. Let's look at this. Let's try it. It's good.
The specialty of this product is we won't use any market jaggery. We only cultivate this
How
jaggery.
it's like very like salt, not that salty. It's so
It's a
sugar.
No sugar. It's a jaggery base, pure jaggery
Acha,
base.
acha.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we also have a sugar
You
version.
guys not made any sweet.
It's a jaggery base. It's a natural sweet from jaggery. No, not added sugar for that.
Oh, nice. Thank you. Okay. I want amla.
Yeah.
And one more. You have mango,
No, we don't have mango. We have jamun bar. That's it.
jamun.
Yeah, just have a sample of it, and it's a product.
Guys, I'm going to buy this one. I like this too much. That amla. This is what?
Jamun bar.
Jamun. Okay. Okay.
You can
Yeah,
see the real
yeah.
bitterness of that
Yeah.
jamun.
Yeah. You'll get real taste of jamun. This is right.
It's amla. This is jamun.
This is jamun, guys. Mango you have.
No mango we don't have.
What you have? Jamun.
Jamun, amla, and you try our super product like candied orange, dried orange.
Okay. Chala, banana.
You can
Oh, we can eat that
dried
skin
orange.
also.
Actually, it comes in this way.
Okay. These are real sample, guys. Look at this. Thank you. Okay. Hello, guys. Right now, I'm standing in front of the Pull Pulp, the new setup about the juice shop. Look at this. There's the cart. Okay. I'm going to taste all the juices right now. Okay.
I did my
So,
agriculture
he's your
from
father.
Punjab. Yeah, he's my father.
Okay. You are from? You guys from?
I am from Karnataka itself.
Karnataka only.
Yeah.
Which Karnataka, bro?
Same, I am from Kolar.
Kolar.
Yeah.
Okay, Kolar district. Okay, nice. So when you started this your shop?
So it's been 6 months since we incorporated
Okay.
it.
Okay.
Huh.
6 months. Can you just explain me why you guys put it in the mud?
See, let me come with a
okay.
backstory of this,
Okay,
how our startup has been started. So basically I'm an agri grad, so we own like 60 to 70 acres of mango farm. So whatever happening is, we aren't getting good price for our produce.
Okay,
So that's what we started this, to reduce post harvest losses, to
Okay.
give a good price to fellow farmers. So that's
Oh.
what an thing is. And when it comes to RTS, so most of the produce, whichever horticulture produce will come, can be used to RTS. That's a major advantage of RTS. So and we have the advantage of our purely pulp is alternative to the harsh carbonated juices that we are getting in markets like Maaza, Fruity. So I don't want to name them. So they don't use like fruit in it. They add artificial flavors or
Okay.
those things. So it's completely made of fruit. So which has around over 50% of fruit content in it.
Nice.
And we don't use any preservative. And we are not using even refined sugar in it. We are using jaggery in only like
Jaggery,
in
natural-
only
natural
natural jaggery in only in some of our beverages. In rest all the fruit sweetness itself.
Okay. So thank you so much for nicely explaining. Can you just explain me why you guys put it in the mud?
See, let me come with a
okay.
backstory of this,
Okay.
how our startup has been started. So basically I'm an agri grad, so we own like 60 to 70 acres of mango farm. So whatever happening is, we aren't getting good price for our produce. So that's what we started this, to reduce post harvest losses, to give a good price to fellow farmers. So that's what an thing is. And when it comes to RTS, so most of the produce, whichever horticulture produce will come, can be used to RTS. That's a major advantage of RTS. So and we have the advantage of our purely pulp is alternative to the harsh carbonated juices that we are getting in markets like Maaza, Fruity. So I don't want to name them. So they don't use like fruit in it. They add artificial flavors or those things. So it's completely made of fruit. So which has around over 50% of fruit content in it.
Nice, nice.
And we don't use any preservative, and we are not using even refined sugar in it. We are using jaggery in only like
Jaggery,
in
natural-
only
natural
natural jaggery in only in some of our beverages. In rest all the fruit sweetness itself.
Okay. So thank you so much for nicely explaining.
ಜನತೆಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವಿಶ್
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ
Happy Independence Day.
ನಾವು ಕೋಲಾರ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಮುಳಬಾಲ್ ತಾಲೂಕಿನಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥವ್ರು ನಾವು ಅಗ್ರಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಪ್ ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗ BSc ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರು ಅವನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಅಗ್ರಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಪ್ ಇದು ಈಗ ಒಂದು 6 ಮಂತ್ಸಿಂದ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಗೋವಾ ಪೈನಾಪಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಜಾಮೂನ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು ನೈಸರ್ಗಿಕವಾಗಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ರುಚಿಕರವಾದಂಥ ಜ್ಯೂಸನ್ನು ಹಣ್ಣಿನ ರಸದಿಂದ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಜ್ಯೂಸನ್ನು ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ವಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂಥ ಪ್ರಿಸರ್ವೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಶುಗರ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಐಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ ಯಾವುದೇ ಫ್ಲೇವರ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಪಲ್ಪಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಜ್ಯೂಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹಣ್ಣಿನ ರಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಜ್ಯೂಸು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸು ನಮಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರ ಕೂಡ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ
Okay. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಅಂಕಲ್.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
Thank you so much. Now I'll try. Guys, I'm not lying. This is really, it's too good. It's so natural taste. It's like, very natural. They didn't put any sugar over here. And whatever we'll get fruits in the shop, there was different taste. But this is really so sweet. And it was fully 100% natural. It was very nice. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. Thank you so much.